Swiss Watch Expo Daily Drop. This is the 31mm Rolex Datejust in white gold with the diamond bezel and diamond dial. With that black enamel, it's absolutely gorgeous. It just has a glossy appeal to the dial. No scratches, no dings, no dents. Wonderful looking case. Not too much gold removed, never been over polished. It is just beautiful. 31mm, something you rarely ever find. We have it here at SwissWatchExpo.com. Find us, find this watch. One of the things we always like to do to keep you updated, the stock number on this item is 26061. And remember, this watch is very, very rare. And for the price that we're offering, just an absolute steal. Find it at SwissWatchExpo.com. This is today's Swiss Watch Expo Daily Drop.